S.
I'm not gonna wide scam anyone.
So the idea for this foil wrap
What's wrong
was
with urinal cakes?
like a couple balls of
They keep
foil.
the pee
Like
fresh.
a ball. I was gonna think like little strips, so there's airflow in between everything.
Oh, strips.
Yeah, Bino is just fishing for cake's address.
Fishing for cake.
At Obio has underscore it also keeps his sink kitchen.
I don't want cake. Am I? Oh, I thought I was.
Bino gonna
I don't
send you
want
a envelope
cake
saying
address.
you got a limited edition
Like that's.
fully eaten
First of all, that's a
sandwich.
lot of work,
Nobody else got
and
this one.
I don't care. Like, why would I want to go to New York City? Why would I want to go anywhere? Why would I want to go to Portland, Oregon? I'm in Buffalo, dude. I got the best food in the world.
Wait, can I put your half-eaten sandwich on my wish list?
Well, now that you said it, I
Gramps,
suppose we
do
could.
you still have that notebook of the times cake
That
used the
notebook of the
restroom?
times cake used the restroom.
Wait, is that supposed to be your grill?
It's called a ledger. Yeah, this is a grill. I'm making a custom grill right now.
Dim almost full.
I know. I got about like 10 pages left, and then we have to get to a new ledger.
Okay, let's lace them the other way.
Yeah. See, that's what I was saying. By the way, remember I told you, get like one big piece of tin foil to cover the bottom, or else you're just gonna have a shit ton of chicken, like burnt chicken wing fat, and that's gonna be a huge bitch to clean up, and it's gonna smell awful.
Had the nicest
It's easier
time
just to
the
like
one
pull
time I
that
was
thing
in
out
Buffalo.
and then just throw it
People
away.
there are so polite and cool in my experience. Someone zoom and enhance.
Had the
those
nicest
ledger
time,
pages.
Buffalo. People are so polite there and cool in my experience. Yo, you didn't run into Bino, dude.
What does that even mean? Okay, alright, here's the thing about Buffalo people. We are drunk idiots. We are mostly blue-collar people. We tend to light tables on
LMFAU.
fire and jump into them. We have very cold winters, so we eat a lot. And we have great food.
True, I'm on board with the great food. You put ranch in your buffalo sauce, dude. That's instantly like
There actually is.
top notch for me.
There is a group of people that would actually, like, literally throw down if you did that.
I
If
was
they're drunk
told
enough,
New
they will.
Yorkers are nice.
New Yorkers are nice. Cake. Where would you get that impression from?
Throw down at Ram Ranch.
Ram Ranch. Let's go, baby.
My Aussie mate who visited last week.
I've ever seen in my life.
Dude, this is actually, like, this is pretty good. This is pretty good, dude. I think this will work.
Yo, this is definitely gonna work, dude.
That's what I'm saying. I literally think as long as you get everything, like, situated properly, this could work really well. You see some nice airflow in between everything. It'll be good.
Put some like weird ass design with it.
Yeah,
Urinal cake.
the air fryer is your oyster.
Builds robots, and even custom grills.
Look at that, dude. Custom grills.
Wide custom
Toy
grills.
custom.
Rob the jewelry store and tell him make me a grill. And you remember that song?
Wait, what song?
Grills.
Well, you barely meet people actually from NYC.
Oh,
when
wait,
you're
say-
there
say-
visiting.
say the hook
So
of it.
IDK
Rob the
maybe New
jewelry
York
store
is a
and tell him
chill.
make me a grill.
God, I hate
Oh
that
yeah,
song.
dude. That was like, dude, that was like early 2000s, I think. Who made
Yeah.
that? Who was that?
That's with Paul Wall and fuck, who else was in that song? Nelly.